Hi friends, Caroline here from How to Vietnamese, where you can get all the resources that you need to learn authentic Southern Vietnamese. Today, we're going to learn another 10 common verbs in Vietnamese that every beginner must know. Some of today's verbs have more than one meaning and we will cover their most common uses. If you haven't watched the first common verbs video, I highly recommend you to view it first as I'll be using them in today's example sentences. As usual, you can review today's verb with the examples on my website at howtovietnamese.com. Now let's start with the first one. Nghĩ, to think. Mình nghĩ cái đó hơi xấu. Mình nghĩ cái đó hơi xấu. I think that one is a bit ugly, where xấu means ugly. Hơi xấu meaning a bit ugly or slightly ugly. Muốn, to want. For example, mình không muốn nghĩ tới nó. Mình không muốn nghĩ tới nó. I don't want to think about it, where nghĩ tới or nghĩ đến means to think about or to think of someone or something. Mua, to buy, to purchase. Cổ thích mua quần áo giảm giá. Cổ thích mua quần áo giảm giá. She likes to buy discounted clothes, where quần áo means clothes. Giảm giá refers to discounted or reduced price. After learning the word to buy, of course you should also learn the word to sell. Bán, to sell. Cửa hàng này bán mắc. Cửa hàng này bán mắc. This store sells expensive, where cửa hàng refers to a store or a shop. Mắc means expensive. For your information, in the north, people would use the word đắt instead of mắc for saying expensive. Dùng. The word dùng has two common meanings. The first meaning is to use. Cái này dùng để làm gì? Cái này dùng để làm gì? Where để làm gì literally means to do what or simply what for. The second meaning of dùng is to take, as in taking food, drink or medicine. Anh dùng trà hay là cà phê? Anh dùng trà hay là cà phê? You take tea or coffee. Cho. As a verb, cho has many meanings: to give, to let, and to put. Here's an example of to give. Ảnh cho cổ 2 vé xem phim. Ảnh cho cổ 2 vé xem phim. He gave her 2 movie tickets, where vé xem phim means movie ticket. The second meaning of cho is to let. Tại sao bạn không cho mình biết? Tại sao bạn không cho mình biết? Why you didn't let me know? Where tại sao means why. Then we have the third meaning of cho, which is to put. You can also say cho something vào, which means to put something in. Cổ không thích cho đường vào cà phê. Cổ không thích cho đường vào cà phê. She doesn't like to put sugar in the coffee, where đường means sugar. Cho đường vào, to put sugar in. Hỏi, to ask or to inquire. Em hỏi ý kiến của sếp chưa? Em hỏi ý kiến của sếp chưa? Have you asked the boss' opinion? Where hỏi ý kiến means to ask someone's opinion and sếp refers to a boss or a superior. Nhìn, to look at. For example, cổ nhìn ảnh và không nói gì. Cổ nhìn ảnh và không nói gì. She looks at him and doesn't say anything. When gì is used with a negative form of a verb, it would have the meaning of anything. For example, không nói gì, to not say anything. Không hiểu gì, to not understand anything. Thấy. This is a powerful verb to know because it has 3 very common meanings. to see, to feel, and to find. So the first meaning of thấy is to see. Earlier, we've learned that the word nhìn means to look at. Now we have the word thấy or nhìn thấy. Both mean to see something with your eyes. For example, hôm qua mình thấy siêu thị có khuyến mãi. Hôm qua mình thấy siêu thị có khuyến mãi. Yesterday I saw the supermarket has promotions, where siêu thị refers to supermarket. Khuyến mãi refers to sales promotion. Now the second meaning of thấy is to feel, and you can either say thấy or cảm thấy. For example, sáng nay mình thấy hơi mệt. Sáng nay mình thấy hơi mệt. This morning I feel a bit tired, where sáng nay means this morning and mệt means tired or tiring. The third meaning of thấy is to find in terms of thinking or feeling a particular way about someone or something. Mình thấy ảnh là một người thích khoe khoang. Mình thấy ảnh là một người thích khoe khoang. I find him to be a person who likes to brag, where khoe khoang means to brag or to boast. Coi, coi. Coi also has many meanings, but a common one is to watch something or to watch someone doing something, such as coi TV, to watch the TV, coi ảnh nhảy, to watch him dance. Another common meaning of coi is to bring your eyes or your attention on something. For example, coi điện thoại can be translated as to look at something on the phone, or coi tin tức, to view the news, which can be on the TV or in the newspaper. Another word for coi that a lot of you may know is xem, although coi seems to be used more often in the south, while xem is used more often in the north. If you have any suggestion for video or lesson content, please let me know in the comment section below. For now, tạm biệt!